55 miles an hour.
I don't know where Mum is. Well,
I can't see her. Oh wait, no, I saw a grey poncho. Yeah, I see someone on a grey poncho who's putting it on. So that is probably Mum. Oh,
we are going to get wet. We're going to get so wet. It is pouring.
it is pouring. And they're not even stopping it.
Oh no! Are you sure about this?
No, we can't go back now, can we?
Oh dearie me! Oh, I'm soaked! I'm soaked! Why don't I put the poncho on? Oh God! Oh no! Oh!
Oh no, you do go forwards down that bit, Dad.
Oh!
That bit. Oh, I can't see!
Oh dear! Oh, this is too much! This is too much! Oh, it stopped. The rain stopped.
Do not look down.
Oh. Oh.
Well, at least you don't go straight down. Look at this!
Oh no!
Now we go backwards, don't we?
Yes, we do. Oh dear! Oh no! Here we go.
Headbands and stuff.
Oh no!
And then we go forwards down there.
Yeah. Oh my giddy aunt! Oh, whoa. That hurts! Ouch, that hurt! Oh, that was horrible. Do you think we rushed for that? I am absolutely soaked.
So am I. I don't think I need a poncho for the next ride.
Oh.
I don't think we need a poncho.
Oh.
Yeah, no poncho is needed. I love how it just started pouring the second.
Oh. That was horrible.
No, they didn't. I don't think they did.
No, I think you're right.
They didn't get on it.